Introduction to Trello on mobile.
That system is a versatile tool for managing tasks and projects, and its mobile app makes it easy to stay organized on the go. Whether you're coordinating work projects, personal goals, or collaborative teams, Trello's mobile features allow you to create, track, and optimize workflows right from your phone or tablet.
Getting started: boards, lists, and cards.
Begin by opening the Trello app and creating a new board to represent your project. Within each board, set up lists to organize steps or categories, such as to do, doing, and done. Add cards to each list to represent individual tasks. Cards can contain details, checklists, due dates, and attachments, perfect for keeping everything at your fingertips.
Building workflows, customizing for success.
Customize your workflow by editing list names and rearranging cards with a simple drag and drop. Use color-coded labels and assign team members to tasks for clear delegation. You can also set due dates and create card checklists to break large tasks into smaller steps. These features help keep your mobile workflows efficient and visually organized.
Collaboration and notifications.
Invite teammates to your board directly from the mobile app, allowing for real-time collaboration. You can comment on cards, tag team members, and attach relevant files or images. The app's notifications keep you updated on changes, deadlines, and comments, ensuring you and your team stay on track wherever you are.
Tips for productivity: power-ups and automation.
Enhance your mobile productivity with Trello's Power-Ups like calendar views and integrations with tools such as Google Drive. Explore automation with Butler to create rules, such as moving cards automatically when tasks are complete. These advanced features help streamline repetitive tasks and maximize your productivity right from your mobile device.
Conclusion: managing projects anywhere, anytime.
With Trello's mobile app, creating effective workflows and managing productivity boards is simple and flexible. Whether working solo or in a team, Trello adapts to your needs and keeps you organized wherever you go. Start building your mobile workflows today for better productivity and seamless project management.